Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to install Google Forms in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. The very first step that we need to do is we need to navigate here at the bottom search bar and type for Chrome or Google Chrome. Once you have typed it, please proceed with the best match and click on Open to continue and wait until you are being redirected to the Google Chrome browser itself. Now, the moment you are being redirected here at the Google Chrome browser, the second method that you need to do is you need to wait until everything's are set here at the Google Chrome. So before we proceed, okay? So once everything are set here, at the upper right side of that, you can see their Gmail, images, this icon, and beside that, you can see their this icon, okay, which contains the Google Apps. All you need to do is you need to tap on it, and the moment you have tapped on it, please scroll down, and under here, you can see a list of the applications. Proceed by looking for forms. So the moment you have find it, please tap on it and wait until you are being redirected to the Google Forms. Once you have successfully opened the Google Forms, please proceed at the upper right side of that. You can see there are three dots. So click on it to customize and control Google Chrome, and then all you need to do is you need to scroll down and go with cast, saved, and share. So aligning to it, you can see there are a list of the options. Please proceed with install page as application. So tap on it, and here it will ask you to confirm your action, which is to install this page as an app. You need to proceed and install. The moment you have clicked on install, this window would appear, which means that you have successfully installed it as an application here in your Windows. So if we will close the window and as well as the Google Chrome browser, and if we proceed to our desktop or home screen, there you would be able to see the Google Forms application that you have installed right now as an application. So if you also navigate here at the bottom search bar and type for forms, you would be able to see the best match, which is Google Forms application, where you can run it as administrator, you can open it, you can pin it to start and pin it to taskbar. So when we double tap to it and check if it's working, now we can see that it's working. Okay. So we can create a blank form here, a blank quiz, a contact information, data, or any type of forms that you can create using this Google Forms. Okay, by just a double tap or a single click, you can also open the Google Forms here. You can also access it easily here in your Windows. Okay, so that's it. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day.